You've been listening to the first movement and the second movement of Symphony No. 9, composed by Beethoven. After listening to them, then now you are here to receive my lecture. There are so many things you learn from this symphony. You're privileged to be affected by this symphony. Do you really need some knowledge of Beethoven beforehand for you to listen to Symphony No. 9? Nevertheless, you understand that the most important condition for you to listen to it shall be how you have purity in your heart. It doesn't matter whether you have education of music or not. However, it matters how you are pure yourself. Do you surely have purity in your heart? If you have purity in your heart, I'm sure you do understand what it is. You come to feel the profundity of this music. Have you philosophized the meaning of your life? How did you start appearing here on this planet? Did you start living by your will actively? Or your life was given to you? You understand how you received life. Some experts say different things talking of listening to Symphony No. 9 composed by Beethoven. Then I tell, there is the one which is common. There is the one all of experts say as the same comment. Through experiencing all of music here, out of purity yourself, you have yourself privileged to experience pure voice as a being who is sentient enough to listen to it. Every day, every night, you're spending so many things here in this locality. Then this symphony gives you an opportunity for you to once again cleanse yourself. Life itself is given to you as a being who understands the essence of life given. I'd like you to follow me now. The Messiah, Jesus Christ, said, "Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth, where moths and vermin destroy, and where thieves break in and steal. But store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where moths and vermin do not destroy, and where thieves do not break in and steal." For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. What is the meaning of treasure? You need to store up in heaven. It doesn't matter how you're working hard. It's nice for you to work hard. You save money at the bank, that is alright. You buy some cars. You build a gorgeous house somewhere, that is alright. You have property enough. But imagine now, when you have a day, when you have a last day to breathe your last breath, do you understand? Can you bring them all? Even one coin, you can bring it to heaven. So what you need to do every day, every night here on this planet, the answer is very clear. I'd like to do a right thing. The other two all the time, good and evil. It is unwise for you to take action according to evil. I dare to be pure enough to listen to voices spoken by angel. Inherently, you're privileged to listen to beautiful voices spoken by angel. Store up for yourselves treasures in heaven means I'd like you to do right things every day. Your life was given to you. You received life supernaturally as for you to do right things. In listening to the third movement and fourth movement of the Symphony No. 9 composed by Beethoven, I'd like you to be impressed. I'd like you to feel deeply the meaning of your life given. The lectures have been finished now.